Looking for a gentle solution to fight acne, fade scars, and reveal glowing skin? Let's make a DIY glycolic acid serum, perfect for acne-prone and dull skin. In a clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Now slowly add 1 teaspoon of glycolic acid powder and mix well until it dissolves. Next, puncture 2 vitamin E capsules and mix in the oil. Optionally, add 1 to 2 drops of tea tree oil for added acne-fighting power. Use this face pack only at night, after cleansing your face, avoiding the eye area. Do a patch test first. Use only 2 to 3 times a week. Avoid sun exposure. Always wear sunscreen during the day. This DIY glycolic acid serum helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, unclog pores, fade acne marks, pigmentation, reveal smoother, brighter skin. Say goodbye to breakouts and dull skin with this gentle DIY serum. Let your skin glow naturally, the smart, safe way.